Hello everyone, I'm Rob, and today we're going to talk about the world's very first analog NFT, and I'm going to mint it, yes that's right, mint it, right before your eyes. But before we get into what exactly an analog NFT is, first let's talk about that term, NFT. Just what is an NFT? An NFT is a non-fungible token. There are two important words there, fungible and token. I guess really three if you consider that all words are important, but we want to focus on the fungible and token. So first, what exactly is fungible? For those of you that already understand what a fungible token is, please feel free to skip forward. I'll put a description and the timestamps down below, and I'll wait for you to leave now. Okay, you ready? All right, so the rest of you want to know what exactly is a non-fungible token. Fungible is a word that is used to describe an asset class. An item is deemed fungible if it is easily replaceable with a good that has an equivalent value and performs a similar function. For example, a sack of potatoes. I don't really care which sack of potatoes I get as long as they're edible and haven't gone bad. But as long as the potatoes look good and smell good, it's indistinguishable for me one sack of potatoes to the next. So if I went to the market and wanted to pick out a sack of potatoes, those would be a fungible good. Now something that would be non-fungible is this painting that my daughter made. It's one of a kind. It has value that I've placed upon it, and it's not easily replaced. I guess really in this case, I'm the only one that can determine its value because I own it. So this would be a non-fungible item. Now the other term that gets people tripped up in NFT is the term token. What exactly is a token? In this case, a token is a part of the blockchain. Now not all tokens are NFTs, but all NFTs are tokens, even though they don't have to be part of the same blockchain. A very popular one is for NFTs to be minted with Ethereum. Another newer one that I'm seeing used that's supposed to be more environmentally friendly is Tezos, which Ubisoft is using to mint its quartz digits. These blockchains are managed on a ledger that are decentralized and spread across many different computers which update and maintain transactions on this ledger. So it's not just one or two banks talking back and forth managing transactions. It's a number of different computers spread across a network. Some of them are giant server farms, and some are just a couple GPUs someone slapped together in a server room in their closet. And these maintain the ledgers, and these are the fundamental things that manage the blockchain. This is also the primary reason that NFTs are considered to be so environmentally unfriendly because of all the energy that they consume maintaining this ledger. So what is an analog NFT? Well, an analog NFT is not a digital good. I'm gonna take this $20 bill, which normally would be considered a fungible good, because if you gave me two 10s or four 5s or 21s or any combination thereof for this $20 bill, I would gladly make that trade. But what I'm going to do is we're going to draw on it, and I'm going to mint this NFT right before your eyes. So now this $20 bill is no longer just a 20. This is a work of art, and it is the very first analog NFT. And this is the first in a series of analog NFTs that I'll be creating over the course of the next 12 months, each of them featuring a different bill, denomination, and some will actually be non-US based. Now the next thing it has to be is a token. This is the first block on the new chain, Robblock. Not to be confused with Roblox. I know they're close, but that wasn't my intention. I don't know, blame it on the naming convention. So this is the very first Rob block. The new blockchain is manually maintained on the website analogNFT.xyz. You can go there right now and take a look at it. This very first analog NFT will be listed on eBay for a starting price of $20, because no matter what happens, this block could inflate based upon demand, similar to digital NFTs, but this will always have a base value of $20 because it's been minted on a $20 bill. So the starting bid will start off at $20. You're gonna have to pay for shipping. The way this will work is whoever obtains this NFT will email me at analognft@gmail.com. Send me a picture of the NFT and what you paid for it, and I will go ahead and update that ledger. This is much cheaper and much more energy efficient than all the server farms that are used to maintain current blockchain technology. It is much more environmentally friendly. You can thank me later, Greta. Once you take ownership of the NFT, feel free to write your name on the back. This way, the token will also track ownership of the analog NFT. If the list gets too long, feel free to write your name on a sticky note and put it on the NFT. Maybe staple it so it doesn't fall off. Don't worry, Mr. Jackson won't care. Just like any other NFT or crypto, this can be stolen if your wallet is compromised, so make sure to pay attention to where you have this at all times. I'm Rob, thanks for watching, and let me know what you think of this analog NFT in the comments down below. To me, it's so easy, I can't believe that I'm the first person who thought of this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.